Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence channel. So let's look at what happened to the market today and what's the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, HSN Nifty is almost 30 to 40 points up. Dow Jones 265 points down. Nasdaq is also down. So the Wall Street, what happened? Wall Street falls at open on growth fears. So earlier, the growth forecast for gross domestic product was actually at uh, close to 8.5 percentage for the year, but now it is seen only as 3.5 percentage for the year. So what happened is last week the labor data came and it was not that convincing. Out of 7,20,000 jobs, actually the actual figures were only 2,35,000. So the growth figures the growth figures were based on that, and that is reflecting on the US market. So, but coming to our market today, we experienced the, I mean, like we experienced that there is some weakness in the market. So today, Nifty is almost 15 points down. So it again touched the all-time high of 17,436. So 17,436, which we gave last week, is going to act as one of the, the short-term top out for this, at least for this expiry. Because if you see, yesterday I gave the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you can see market opened here, and after that it fell down close to 17,289, and then again it made a top 17,431, and again it has started falling. So on a close to close basis, it was like almost from 17,428, so almost 150 points up and down. Same happened in Bank Nifty also, but Bank Nifty was highly volatile. You can see yesterday I gave the levels. Let me show up in the day chart. So this was the one we were expecting. So exactly it fell down, it took support, and then it again went up. Again it is struggling here. So one good thing here is it is still above the channel. Sorry. Yeah. So this would be the, so this is staying right above the channel. So so the outlook for this week is going to be like 36,500 is going to be a resistance. Let's look at the option chain for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Nifty, you can see that 17,400 levels, 1 lakh 2,000, like close to 1 lakh contracts has been written. Additional contracts like 22,171 contracts has been added for today. So 17,400, and you can see 17,500 is having 1 lakh 7,000. So 17,400 and 17,500 is going to act as the resistance for the next 2 days, and 17,300 is having the highest support. Apart from that, 17,200 is having the huge, like next support at 63,671. So 17,300 to 17,500 is going to be the levels for the next 2 days. So I am expecting a much of volatility because both the sides aggressively the calls and puts are being written. So the smart money is playing between 17,300 and 17,500. Again it made a pin bar candle. So any fall again, it is going to be a buy on dips. So if there is any fall for tomorrow also, because the other markets are, the global markets are indicating a red, but our markets are, as usual, it is our markets are actually outperforming the global markets. So again it is around 17,400 levels. So if there is any gap up also, that may not sustain. Again it may fall like today, and tomorrow is Wednesday, again a highly volatile day. So we have to wait for the tomorrow's data. I am expecting any fall towards 17,200 levels should be considered as a buying opportunity, and anything below that should be considered as a weakness. For Bank Nifty also the same. So this is what we had given yesterday. Any fall towards these levels should be considered as a buying opportunity, but it fell down close to 36,150 levels, and we captured exactly the same levels, and today we captured around 300 plus points in Bank Nifty alone. So 36,200 was a jackpot call today. It went from 250 to almost 550 levels, 300 points straight. It was actually a very good day considering both the stock options calls and also the Bank Nifty calls. So again, tomorrow, if there is any fall towards these levels, should be considered as a buying opportunity only. So till this weekend, till this expiry, it is going to be a price action going to happen between 36,500 and today's low of 36,200 to 150 levels. So this is the outlook for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Again, any fall towards 36,100 levels or 36,000 levels should be considered as a buying opportunity. If it started closing below this trend line, then that should be considered as a negative negative bias. But then as of now, it is again still bullish only. But the the short term top out of 17,436 is going to act as a resistance as of now. So market may be slightly volatile today. Most of the banking stocks, everything was in red. Only HDFC was in green. IRCTC, a huge move today. Yesterday we gave the levels at 3030, and today it again made a almost close to 286 or 280 points today. An excellent move. Yeah, 270 points move. It is almost hit the extension level of 2. So we have to wait and watch. The thing which is interesting in IRCTC is it is actually entering into hospitality sector and also the food sector. So it is not only going to be the ticket platform, online ticket platform. IRCT is getting into other platforms also, which is going to act as a value unlock for that, value unlock for IRCTC. So coming to TCS, there is a slight profit booking happened today TCS on all IT stocks, and even if you see the other stocks, IT stocks and auto stocks, there was a slight profit booking happened today. So until this expiry, it is going to be bit of volatile, and the price action is going to continue between the 17,400 to 17,200 levels. So Nifty 50 stocks are going to be slightly volatile even on the option sides. So concentrate on the large cap stocks and on the stocks which are giving the breakout. So we had already posted that in the group, what are all the breakout stocks and what are all the potential for the potential targets for the stock. Please focus on that and ride safely. So let's look at the FIDA data. FI had sold for 145 crores and DA had also sold for 136 crores. So not a very big figures, but both are in negative as of today. So that's all, guys. That's all the this is the view for tomorrow and also for the next 2 days. So hope this information is useful, and if it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.